Assalamu alaikum rahmatullah. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So we move on to the next chapter of our curriculum, which is called Ism versus Fi'l. So the following helps us distinguish if a word is an ism or a fi'l. So a fi'l, it does not have a tanween on it. A tanween meaning a double harakat, like a double dhamma, which makes a un sound, or a double fatha or double kasra. And it does not have al on it. And it does not have a ta mabuta on it. And if the first letter is ya or ta and it ends with the ending combination ya, noon and wa noon, then it's a fi'l. And if the word comes after qad, which means already as well, or seen, or sofa, which both mean soon, then it's a fi'l. Whereas an ism, it can have a tanween on it, it can have al on it, it can have ta mabuta on it, which is the opposite of the fi'l. And if the first letter is not a ya or ta, and it ends with the ya, noon, and the wa and noon, any combination, then it's an ism. And if the word comes after harf of jar, or also known as the jar, or if it comes after the harf of nasab or special madaf, then it's an ism, because these only come before an ism. So as per usual, at the end of a chapter, we always advise you to go over the vocabulary of this chapter at the end of this book. Ideally, at the end of every session, this curriculum is studied, so that your Arabic grammar knowledge increases with your vocab knowledge, inshallah.